Hey y'all, it's your girl Sheila, PromoSTK, and we're here with a reaction. We're gonna slow it down with Bridge Over Troubled Waters by Elvis Presley, live. Oh yeah, Bridge Over Troubled Waters.
When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I'm drowning, I'm on your side. Oh, time gets rough, and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down. When you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you, I'll take your part. Oh, time is rough, and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will lay me sail on, silver girl, sail on by. Your time has come to shine, all your dreams on the way. See how they shine. Oh, you need a friend. I'm sailing right behind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind, like a bridge over troubled water. I will ease your mind.
Wow, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. Bridge Over Troubled Waters. We have many, many waters that are troubled. This song will calm you. Thank you, Elvis, for bringing that in our lives, that we can still be moved and feel you in our hearts today. I appreciate you guys for suggesting this reaction and wanting to hear the gospel side of Elvis. So I enjoyed listening to this. It touched my heart. To the next reaction.